Nope, still alive. Oh.
All right, Craig,
Guy's a fighter.
kill it.
Guy is a fighter.
All
Alright.
Where the hell did it come from? If it would have flown in my hair, y'all would have had to take me to the emergency room.
We would have shaved it all off.
Y'all would have had to take me to the ER immediately.
Check out his leg.
Oh my god, oh my god.
You want to see it? If it's
Holy
gonna move.
shit.
It's not dead yet.
Oh god! That was awesome. Good job, Craig. High five.
It's not live. I crunched it. There's a crack. It's nothing but a broken shell now. It's
Just like
the shell
me.
of the cockroach. Exactly.
Is it my trash?
No, I threw it in the. It's in
No,
the
really? No, seriously. Okay, no.
It's really... Oh.
You want it in there. Right there. Change it.
That's awesome. We'll have a bonfire later. It'll be fine. Throw it in there. Oh, that's awesome. Good time.